there's a bug that is right on the cup. I don't know what that is, but, should I risk it? Yeah, you have a towel, like, right here. Okay. Okay, on a count of 3, I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna smack it. Do it, do it. Do it, smack it, just smack it. Okay. Okay, ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Got it! Are you serious? Yeah, I just got it. Oh my crap. That gave me the hibbity and jibbity. Ew! What are you doing? Dude, you're just like doing that. I know. That is nasty! Oh my crap! Oh my crap! Alright, okay. Let's see how gross this is. Okay, lift up the towel. Okay, it's dead. I think I'm gonna throw up. See, okay, I got it. I got it. You serious? Yeah, I did. I'm throwing it away. Oh. I'm dying. Oh dear crap. Oh my. You girls got a dead bug. It was so scary. What was it anyway? It was a cockroach. Oh my crap. It was a baby cockroach. Look, I can see its mucus on it. Oh my crap. Alright, I'm going to go into the kitchen and clean that off. Oh man, I seriously cannot breathe. Oh my crap. Oh, and by the way, what? It didn't get me. It seriously did not get me. Well, you just got it. Yeah. Oh my crap.